So let's start my video. For that flower you need wool size 3 mm, or you can use any of your desired wool, and my hook size is 3.5 mm. And for the flower we have to make the magic circle first, that is like this. We have to make a cross here like this. Take the hook from this and take the yarn out from there like this, and pull this one like this. Now take this one and make the 3 chains like this. Now make the 4 double crochet in chain space or magic circle. These are total in 5 in numbers. Now take the hook from this loop and insert the hook here in the very first double crochet, and insert the hook in this last loop and pull over the yarn from here like this. This is our first bubble here. Now make the 2 chains. Now we have to make 5 double crochet again. So these are 5 double crochet here. Now take the hook from this loop and insert the hook here in very first double crochet, and again insert the hook in the very last double crochet and pull over the yarn like this. This is our second bubble. Now make the 2 chain and repeat the same process like making 5 double crochet in the magic circle first, 3, 4 and 5. Take over the hook from here, insert in very first double crochet, insert in very last double crochet, then pull it like this, and this is our third bubble. We have to repeat the same procedure till the number of bubble will be 8. Slip stitch in very first bubble like this. Now we have to pull this side of yarn like this to make it a proper flower like this. So here is the final look of my flower. This is so simple, and this is also called cute, and this can be used in any of your project, and you can use these in the granny squares as well as on your dresses, and anywhere do you want. I hope you will like my video, so press the like button and subscribe my channel.